guys, today we will be unboxing something I got with on KKV. So I did some off-camera unboxing. As you can see, it's plastic, just leaking from it. Anyway, so I'm gonna do some unboxing. Okay, so we officially opened it, and this is what we got. So we got like the scenes, and the actual things. Sorry, my camera was bad. So now first we got this. Probably like the front of the cafe. If you can, it's mirrored, so it says Cat Cafe. So yeah. Sorry if you can't read it. So these are the inside of the cafe. And I have no idea what this is, but it's probably, I don't know. I still don't know. Here's probably like the road. What is it? Anyway, the bathroom. I don't know why there's. Okay, and then this is the thing. So then we have these stickers that we're gonna use to decorate it. So I'm not gonna do it today since